You just joined a team. The code base is 200,000 lines. Where do you even start? This plugin's answer: don't read it, map it. And 44,000 developers started in 10 weeks. Here's the ritual every developer knows. New job, new repo, 100,000 files staring back. You open main, you follow one import, then another. 20 tabs later, you still couldn't draw the architecture on a napkin. Reading a big code base top to bottom doesn't scale. It never has. Understand anything takes the opposite bet. You run one command, /understand, and a pipeline of agents crawls the whole project. It pulls out every file, function, class, and dependency, and hands you this: an interactive knowledge graph. Every node is a real piece of your code. Click one, and it explains itself, in plain English, with its relationships laid out. And it's not just a diagram. Ask where auth lives, and get the actual files, not grep hits. Click the answer, and it walks you through the flow in dependency order. Suddenly, the repo has a front door. It'll even write the onboarding guide for the next person who joins. This struck a nerve. The repo went from 0 to 44,000 stars in about 10 weeks. #1 trending on GitHub the week we looked. 26,000 of those landed in a single week. For a dev tool, that's not growth, that's a stampede. And this is exactly where I got skeptical, because AI-generated architecture diagrams usually lie. Confidently, they draw you a beautiful graph of connections that don't actually exist in your code. So I went looking for the catch. And the catch is the good kind. It does not ask a model to guess your architecture from vibes. The structural half runs on Tree-sitter, a real parser. It reads your source into a syntax tree and pulls the hard facts: imports, exports, definitions, call sites. This part is deterministic. Same code in, same edges out, every run. No model, no guessing. And it's genuinely there. 11 language grammars, shipped in the repo. The language model only handles what a parser can't. It reads that verified structure and writes the meaning. What is this file for? Which layer does it live in? What business process does it serve? The parser gives you the skeleton. The model gives you the story. Neither could build this graph alone. So that's the answer to my skepticism. The structure is reproducible. It can't invent a connection that isn't in your code. Most AI draws your code base tools skip that deterministic half. That's why their diagrams drift. Then I open the agents folder. One command hides a whole crew. A scanner finds every file and resolves the imports once, up front. File analyzers, 5 at a time, turn structure into nodes and edges. An architecture agent sorts the layers, a tour builder writes the walkthroughs, a reviewer checks it all holds together. The README says 5 agents, the source ships 9. But here's the part that actually changes how you work. It's incremental. Change 3 files, it reanalyzes 3, not 3,000, and the finished graph is just JSON. Commit it to your repo and your whole team skips the pipeline. The map becomes part of the code base, version controlled like everything else. And it's not married to one editor: Claude Code, Cursor, Copilot, Codex, Gemini. The graph is portable. One honest caveat: the structure earns my trust. The summaries are still model output, useful, occasionally wrong. So verify the ones that matter. A map that's 90% right still beats reading 200,000 lines blind. Subscribe for more repo teardowns. And I genuinely want to know, what's the biggest code base you've ever been dropped into with 0 docs? Tell me below.